Sears Oven Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Sears oven repair, Sears wall oven repair, Sears double oven repair, Sears gas oven repair, Sears electric oven repair, along with all other Sears oven models. If your Sears oven won't heat, or your Sears oven element needs replaced, or your oven has broiler problems, maybe your oven has temperature problems, or the oven light is out, the oven won't turn on, the oven has a self-cleaning problem, the oven won't turn off, the oven door needs repaired, or the oven fan keeps running. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.